You know what time of year it is. Some like to call it sweater weather. Brrr. Others like to call it cuffing season. Well, you know what also needs to be held and kept warm so it feels safe and secure and loved during these colder months. Your curls and your coils. And we've got just the thing, the Winter Curls and Coils Kit. What's in it, you ask? Well, it's got a mini hydration shampoo to wash away buildup without stripping away moisture. It's got a mini heavy conditioner for some serious hydration and slip, and a full-size jar of our buttery styling cream that provides the best touchable hold for all styles, including protective styles. It is a limited edition kit, so there's no time to waste, y'all. It's time to cuff your curls and your coils and let them know that this love that you feel is for real. Oh, this is the real deal.